Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make KuCoin into dark mode. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in KuCoin, click on the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, implementing a dark mode feature in KuCoin could offer several benefits to the users because number one, dark mode reduces the amount of blue light emitted by screens, which can be easier on the eyes, particularly in low light environments or during nighttime use. Dark backgrounds can often provide better contrast, making text and graphical elements more distinct and easier to read. Now, in my case, I prefer to have a dark mode for aesthetic reasons. I find it more comfortable for extended browsing reasons, or sessions rather, because the dark mode benefits users with visual impairments or sensitivity to bright light, providing a more accessible user experience. But how do we make our KuCoin dashboard into dark mode? Well, it's a little bit easy because all you have to do is go to this option, click on the spot trading from trade, click on spot trading. All right, now this step is very important. All right, because from here, as you can see, I'm already in the dark mode. Right now because when you go to the hamburger menu, click on it and there's gonna be the theme. Now I'm on the moonlight or the moon view. That means a dark theme. Now when I click on the left side and slide it, I'm reverting back to the daytime mode, right? Say for example, I don't want to have a rather boring white mode here on my theme, right? All I have to do is hover down through the hamburger menu again, click on theme, and click on the dark mode, because from here it aligns with modern design trends and user expectations, especially for applications that are frequently used in low light settings. Now, if by any chance you are having problems or you can't see the dark mode theme into your KuCoin account, what I suggest you to do is just go here at the KuCoin Help Center and look for the troubleshooting steps that could help you fix the issue of not having the KuCoin dark mode theme. All right. And because of that, implementing a dark mode can improve user availability and accessibility, enhancing the user experience in KuCoin for a broader range of users. All right, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.